Well, hi there, welcome to my channel. It's about 5 degrees Celsius, raining and quite cold. Back home, that is. I'm in Florida and it was a while since I was here, so let's see what happens this year. Last time I was here, that was 2017. I ended my trip here at the Anhinga Trail, and this time I will start the trip here instead. So first off is walking the trail. Let's see what happens, and then maybe go the Gumbo Limbo trail. And yeah, that's on me. Afternoon is here, and the light is getting better and better for every minute, and the animals have, I think, been hiding away or just been very inactive during the midday, but now they are starting to be more active again. So, like this heron behind me. So at my first visit here 7 years ago, the water was not that full of green things and the bushes were not that high, so it has been a significant change in the landscape since then. You can see the open water much more, and you could also see more from the bridge. So now I'm in the Gumbo Limbo trail. It's always nice to take a stroll into this tropical forest to try to see anything, but so far it's been quite empty and quiet. We'll see if I see anything further on. So it has been a very warm afternoon here, mostly because I'm not used to the heat yet, and it's always nice to start with something easy on a trip like this, when you've been traveling and your gear is packed down in different suitcases, to get everything to work and get to know the equipment again. It was a while since I had my gear out. So I think this day has been, as I said, hot, but there's also been not that much activity. It's been some nice ones, but not a lot. Tomorrow I'm leaving for the western part of Florida and stopping at some hopefully more interesting places. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, write a comment, subscribe, and feel free to share. If you want to see more from this Anhinga Trail, you can watch one of my earlier videos. And well, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.